Today we're comparing the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus and the iRobot Roomba 692. If you're interested in either vacuum, the links will be in the video description, so let's see which one is right for you. Let's start by taking a look at each vacuum's design and build quality. Looking at the i5 Plus, you will notice on the top that the iRobot logo is front and center with 3 control buttons in a row directly above it. We also have a two-tone finish with the outer ring being textured. Super satisfying to touch. The 692, on the other hand, has its 3 control buttons front and center with the iRobot logo directly above it. The i5 Plus is more matte while the 692 is more glossy. The differences continue when you flip the units over. Looking at the bottom, you will notice the i5 Plus has their Aeroforce cleaning system, which is a dual rubber brush system. The 692 also has dual multi-surface brushes, but one is rubber while the other is bristles. In our testing, you will get less tangles with the dual rubber brushes on the Aeroforce cleaning system. It is one of the best we have ever used for pet hair. The i5 Plus also supports self-emptying at its home base, as well as mopping with an included mop tank that clips in place. Internally, you will find the i5 Plus has a 400 milliliter dustbin and 210 milliliter water tank, while the 692 only has a 350 milliliter dustbin. Now let's take a closer look at their cleaning performance. The i5 Plus maxed out at 2.6 CFM, usually the higher the better you want to see here, while the 692 peaked at 3.5. In our carpet deep clean test, the i5 Plus scored 90 out of 100, while the 692 scored 80. This shows you that the i5 Plus is able to get more out of less with the far superior Aeroforce cleaning system. Next up, let's explore how each model navigates and maps your home. Both vacuums feature a full suite of advanced sensors that allow the robots to navigate under and around furniture and along edges, while Cliff Detect keeps it from falling down the stairs. Both units are lacking LiDAR navigation, which is a real bummer. The good news though is the i5 Plus does support mapping and you are able to clean by room. Unfortunately, no zone or object cleaning supported. The i5 Plus is also able to clean in a row by row pattern, a feature absent from the 692. Moving on, let's compare battery life. Both units can last up to 90 minutes. Regardless of the model, if the battery gets too low, they will return home to charge. In regards to mopping, it's super simple and easy to refill the water tank and remove the mop pad for cleaning. Another important factor to consider is its smart features and connectivity options. Both vacuums use the iRobot Home app and give you access to control your vacuum from your smartphone. Set a schedule and forget about it, view your cleaning history, and even clean with your favorite voice assistant. The i5 Plus, with its advanced navigation, will populate a map for you and allow you to choose individual rooms for cleaning, a feature absent on our 692. Finally, after learning more about each vacuum, let's talk about overall value. The i5 Plus costs a couple bucks more than the 692, but it comes with an upgraded cleaning system, mopping functionality, and self-emptying base. If you prioritize a deeper clean with better navigation, want to mop your floors, don't want to empty the dustbin after every clean, and live in a house full of very hairy humans and pets, then the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus is your best bet. However, if you prefer more Benjamins in your pocket and can forego mopping and self-emptying, then the 692 offers excellent value.